In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Spotify player to your Wix website. If you're a music aficionado looking to share your favorite tracks or playlists with your website visitors, adding a Spotify player can be a fantastic way to enhance engagement on your site. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a personal website, integrating a Spotify player can uplift user experience and keep your audience engaged longer. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your site in the Wix editor. This is your central hub for all the customization and magic that you'll be bringing to your website. Whether you choose the standard Wix editor or the more advanced Wix Studio editor, the process remains fairly intuitive. If you're unfamiliar with Wix or haven't visited your editor recently, remember you can access it through your Wix account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you need to. Reacquainting yourself can make the editing process smoother and ensure you don't miss out on any features. Now, with the editor open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice various icons that correspond to different editing options, but what interests us today is the Add Apps feature. The Add Apps section is a treasure trove of additional functionalities that you can easily integrate into your site to make it more dynamic and interactive. When you click on it, a range of available apps will be displayed, each offering unique benefits to enhance your site. In the search bar, type in Spotify or Spotify Player app. This search will bring up the Spotify app you can integrate into your website. Spotify's extensive music sharing capabilities make it an ideal addition to almost any site, offering a seamless way for visitors to enjoy music without leaving the platform. Plus, having it directly on your site can improve the aesthetic and functionality, offering users a built-in music experience rather than a text link that redirects them elsewhere. Once the Spotify app appears in the search results, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Simply click this button and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the integration. This process should be fairly straightforward. Wix and Spotify have made it user-friendly, but you may want to ensure your Spotify account is ready for integration if any login credentials are needed during this setup. And there you have it. Your Spotify player is now part of your Wix site. You can further customize the player's appearance and positioning to ensure it blends seamlessly with your site's design. Experiment with it a little to find what looks best with your overall aesthetic. Incorporating a Spotify player not only enriches your site's multimedia offerings, but also enhances the overall experience for your visitors. Enjoy the music, and happy editing!